Welcome to our channel. Activating your U.S. Bank payroll card online is simple and gives you quick access to your earnings. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the U.S. Bank payroll card website. The specific URL should be provided by your employer or in the materials that came with your card. Step 2. Look for the Activate Card or Register button on the homepage. Click on it to begin the activation process. Step 3. Enter your 16-digit payroll card number exactly as it appears on the front of your card. Double-check that you've typed it correctly. Step 4. Provide your personal information for identity verification. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, and contact information. Step 5. Create a secure username and password for your online account. Use a combination that's unique and not easily guessed by others. Step 6. Set up a PIN for your payroll card. Choose a 4-digit code that you'll use at ATMs and for certain point-of-sale transactions. Step 7. Answer security questions to protect your account. Select questions and provide answers that you'll remember but others cannot easily figure out. Step 8. Review the terms and conditions of your U.S. Bank payroll card program. Once you agree and submit, you'll receive confirmation that your card is activated and your online account is set up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.